Since we have some visitors coming in May, I figured we'd take a shot at updating this spare bedroom. Well, I've always wanted to build something like a board and batten wall, so I went ahead and did it in this room. We don't use this room very often, maybe once or twice a year. The boys try to store all their bikes and junk in there, so this time with it updated, I can keep them from ruining my spare bedroom for guests. Now, Home Depot doesn't have any flat wood at this point in time, so it was very difficult going through their pile trying to find the perfect fit. So there's a little bit of finagling here and there. And unfortunately, measuring from the bottom up didn't quite work for me when I finished the entire project. And you will see at the end, it's slightly crooked because the ceiling and the floor do not match up on both corners of the room. Now, normally you wouldn't notice this, but you will notice it once I get this top board across. Now that it's all set and ready to go, the painting begins in a couple weeks, after doing a lot of hole filling. The first caulk I used was a little dried out, so we had to go back to Home Depot and get some fresh caulk. Once I finished caulking the wall, I let it set for about a week. Then I started painting. And voila, the wall is finished.